You may be wondering if you've been arrested for DWI and they took a breath or a blood sample from you, whether that can be challenged. And the answer is absolutely yes. Let's start with breath samples. You blow into a machine. Right now, the current machine in Texas is an Intoxilyzer 9000. I own Intoxilyzer machines. I know how they work. I'm a big fan of know the machine to beat the machine. So an Intoxilyzer machine, they walk you into this room at the police station and they warm up the machine, they type your information in. So one of the things they have to do is observe you for 15 minutes. And observing means actually observing you, and that is looking at you with their eyes to make sure that you don't burp, spit up, or put anything in your mouth. Well, how can an officer not do that if they've got their back to you while they're inputting your information into their machine? That's one of the things that we look at. Just because you didn't burp, spit up, or put anything in your mouth during that 15-minute waiting period doesn't mean that they can't prove that you did it. So that's one of the crucial points of analysis in challenging a breath sample. Another way that a breath sample can be challenged in Texas is on this Intoxilyzer machine is there are a multitude of things that can interfere with the machine. So the machine can be affected by electromagnetic interference. Well, what are some things that can produce electromagnetic interference? Let's look at me right now. This watch, this phone, a police officer's radio, speakers in the room, other computers. There's a multitude of things that can affect that. And in the right case, we can use that to challenge the validity of your breath sample. And another way is these breath machines have to be maintained. They have to be calibrated. And a perfect example is, maybe 5 years ago, we found that the Intoxilyzer 5000 machines were not being maintained, and they were not following the proper procedure. We had hundreds of breath samples tossed out that never came into evidence, all because of work that we did, and we found the issues in the science behind the breath analysis. If you have any questions about your DWI case, call the office here in Galveston County that specializes in DWI defense. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out.